In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage your Gmail inbox with Clickup. The goal is to turn important emails into clear, trackable work inside Clickup, so nothing slips through the cracks and you spend less time bouncing between tools. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Before you move anything into Clickup, take a moment to get oriented. You want to be looking at the message list and the left sidebar because that is where Gmail's organization tools live. Keeping your inbox organized makes it easier to spot the emails that should become tasks. Next, click on Labels in the left sidebar. Labels are Gmail's way of categorizing messages, and they work well alongside a task system like Clickup. As you review emails, use labels to mark what is important, what is waiting on someone else, and what you may want to convert into a task. A helpful tip is to be consistent with your label names so you can quickly filter and find the emails you need later. Now switch over to Clickup. Navigate to the place where you manage work, such as the list you use for incoming requests or your daily action items. Once you are there, click on the highlighted area shown on screen. This is the spot you will use to focus your attention and prepare to capture the email as actionable work in Clickup. As you connect the two tools in your workflow, remember the key idea. An email is only useful when it turns into a clear next step. When you bring an email into Clickup, make sure the task name describes the outcome, not just the subject line. Add any notes you will need later and set a due date if there is a deadline. If you work with a team, assign the task so ownership is clear. Finally, use this same pattern each day. Review your inbox, label emails that require action, and create or update the matching tasks in Clickup so your work stays centralized and easy to track. That covers everything you need to know.